You're not mine, are you? I don't want to knock. I had a good time with you. I will not forget that. But you are not mine, little one. Come on, Biscuit. Let's go home. Look at this rain. You're all wet, boy. Brr. I'm cold, too. Let's hurry. Almost home. Warm towels, okay? Then treats. You earned them.
Wait, did you hear that? Hello? Who's there? Oh, a puppy. All by yourself. Hey, little one. Don't be scared. You're lost, aren't you? It's okay. It's okay. I've got you. You're shaking. Come here, little guy. I won't hurt you. I promise. See? Easy, Biscuit. He's just scared and cold.
Where's your family, huh? Anyone? Hello? Is this anyone's puppy out here? There's no name on it. No tag. Nobody's out here looking for you. Well, I can't leave you in the rain. Come on, let's get you home. There. All dry and warm now. See? The shaking already stopped. You're safe now, little guy. Safe and warm. It's okay, Biscuit. Come say hi. Be nice.
Theo? Oh, who is this little one?
I found him in the rain, Mom. All alone.
Poor thing. He's so small. But someone might miss him. We should try to find his family.
Maybe.
Dad, look! Can we keep him? Please?
Whoa. Slow down, buddy.
He might have a home already, sweetheart.
But what if he doesn't?
We'll see. First, let's take good care of him.
They said we'll see. That's almost a yes. I found you. Finders keepers, right? So I won't look for anyone. You can be mine. Our secret. Just you and me, okay? Don't look at me like that, Biscuit. Good morning! Look, I made you a bed, right next to Biscuit's. This one's yours now, little guy. All yours. Come on, Biscuit. Share? For me? Please?
Pepper! Pepper, where are you? Here, boy. Come on, come home. You always came when I called you. Please come home. Please, Pepper. I miss you. I don't know how to find you, Pepper.
Okay, you two. Be nice now. Gently. There you go. See that, Biscuit? He just wants a friend. Look at you two. Friends already.
Your dinner's still here, Pepper. I keep it full every day, just in case. Where did you go? Where are you? I miss you so much.
Dinner time! One for you and one for you. Good boys, both of you. Eat up. 2 puppies, both asleep on me. This is the best. The very, very best.
There. Right where everyone can see. Gray and white. A little blue collar. Somebody out there must have seen you. I'm not going to stop looking. I promise. Come on, walk time. Let's go, boy. Pepper? That's his face? On a poster. Someone's looking for him.
Pepper? Pepper!
No. No. Nobody saw. Nobody has to know. I'll just hide this right under here. Don't. Not right now, okay? Please. I'm sorry. You want to play? I don't know, boy. I'm not in the mood. I'm sorry. It's not you, it's me. It's all me. Everything feels wrong now.
Theo? You've been so quiet lately. Is something wrong, sweetheart? You can tell me.
No, nothing's wrong.
Are you sure?
I'm sure, Mom.
Hey, where did you get that? Put it back. You're not supposed to... You too, boy? You're on their side now? You know how it feels, don't you?
I lost you once, Biscuit, at the fair. Remember? I looked and looked. I cried and cried. It was the worst feeling in the whole world. This is how she feels, right now. And it's because of me. I love you, little guy. But you're not mine. And I know what I have to do.
You're up early. And you're all dressed.
I have to take him home, Dad, to his real family.
That's a big, brave thing. Do you want me to come?
No, I have to do it myself.
I'm proud of you, son.
Almost there, boy. Almost. Her house was on the right on the poster. This street. I think we are in the right direction. I'm going to miss you so, so much. But she misses you more. You have a home, and it's not with me.
Hi. Is he yours?
Pepper? Pepper!
He's yours. I found him in the rain. I kept him safe for you. He's okay.
Pepper! You came back! You came back! I looked everywhere. I never ever stopped. I love you. Don't ever get lost again. You found him! Thank you! Thank you so much!
You're welcome. He's a really good puppy.
How did you know he was mine?
I saw your posters all over the streets. I also lost my puppy once. He is back, though, but I know how you feel.
Wait! Don't go yet! Please? You can come play anytime. You and your puppy.
Really? You mean it?
Best friends. All four of us.
We'd like that. A lot.
So? How do you feel, son?
Sad, but good sad. Is that even a thing?
That's exactly a thing. It really is. You did the right thing, Theo. I'm proud of you.
It's a little quiet without him, huh, boy? But we can visit. That's not so bad, right? I did the right thing. And you helped me do it. Good boy.